Grande Rio, the second to last school in this year's Carnival Parade, with its 29 sections, 8 allegorical floats, and 3,500 members, present the theme, Feed the Body and the Soul is Good. Hear the samba in the voice of Vander Pires. Front line, Gaia, the goddess of earth, blows leaves loose in the wind. In Greek mythology, Gaia represents the origin of the world. Those in the front line are wearing tight-fitting leotards to facilitate their movements created by the choreographer Renato Vieira, who leads his ballet dancers. The master of ceremony and flag bearer are led by 16 hopes. The insects are the bearers of good news. Squel Georgia represents the seeds of life, and his partner, Sigicle Santos, represents that which has germinated and will spread all over the world. The first section of Grande Rio represents all the green things in nature. It's the return of Gaia, the mother of the earth. There is a ballet dancer representing the first human being in the hands of the goddess. And the crown of Grande Rio, which hasn't appeared in the parades for a long time, is present even though it's partly camouflaged and discreet. Acrobats from the Intrépida troupe participate in the choreography. Bruna Dias stands out. It is the flora surrounded by flowers. The basic fruits, mythical. In nature, they serve as partly fruit and partly pollen-carrying insects. The noble vegetables are now seen. Then comes the section of rich grain, the foundation of our food. Now the school shows several regions of Brazil. In the south, we see a well-choreographed gaucho barbecue dance. Next, the delicacies from the south section shows the crispy pork and a delicious feijoada. An Italian inspiration helped to create the regional culinary allegorical float, which is about the richness and diversity of the national cuisine. The sculpture of a farmer is inspired by the work of the painter Giuseppe Archimboldo, who used several types of foods to make human figures. Now we see the northeastern flavor section. Here comes the banquet of rhythm and happiness. This is the percussion of Grande Rio under the leadership of Maestro Ogilon. The queen of percussion is a daring bet for the school. Instead of young models or actresses, they invited the veteran and renowned TV star Susana Vieira, who inspires the 270 percussionists. They present the most important party on the Christian calendar, without forgetting the Christmas turkey, of course. The party float comes with Louisa Legay, dressed as Gift Ribbon. The theme is fraternity around an abundant table. Part of the cast of Senhora do Destino, one of the most successful soap operas on Brazilian TV in the last decades, are also present. The directors of the soap opera will... Now comes the time for food to sharpen our senses, which is the theme of Grande Rio's fifth allegorical float. The seduction by food through the four senses: taste, smell, touch, and sight. Standing out are DNA chains formed by vitamins and amino acids, which produce energy. It's time to offerings that feed the faith. Danilo Gayer, representing the Archangel, stands out.